Telemedicine is absolutely fantastic, and we see about there's 400 real telemedicine providers of record or of substance, and they all provide really great value in segments. What we think is probably the next evolution in telemedicine is that continuity of care, where you're really thinking about a patient across the entire life cycle, be it acute to post-acute to maybe even home health, and integrating that telemedicine component more so that the data and records can still communicate and we understand the holistic patient journey. But in addition to that, we're also meeting the patient where they are. And so, the inclusion of specialists in telemedicine, certainly just from a socioeconomic perspective, getting access to the right populations that traditionally maybe don't have access. I think the last stat I heard was 50,000 Americans don't have a primary care physician. A lot of that is access, and so opening up these different channels to be able to connect with and receive care from providers is paramount. We would say that next step is then also extending it for the full patient life cycle or continuum of care.